So how do you make tools float? So let's say you need some needle nose. You just grab them. Pretty magical, huh? Magnets. So you just take those magnetic strips and stick them right up where you use them most. A lot of times you'll just put the magnets on the side like that, and that does work. But nothing's cooler when you just hook it right up upside down so the tools can hang. You won't believe how convenient it is until you need a screwdriver and you say, oh, there it is. Or a pair of pliers. I mean, absolutely wonderful. So next time you're organizing tools, instead of hanging your magnets like that, hang them up like this. These magnetic strips are typically not that expensive. Used to pick them up at Harbor Freight for free, you know, when they had the coupons. Now, I haven't seen the free coupons for a while, but these things are really nice for a lot of different applications. So if you were ever wondering how to make your tools float, well, that's how you do it. If you have any thoughts, please leave comments below. Appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.